Have you ever stopped for a moment and asked yourself a simple but powerful question? Why is learning English still so difficult, even though you try every day? Maybe you wake up in the morning with the motivation to improve. You open your phone, watch an English video, memorize a few vocabulary words, or read a grammar lesson. But by the end of the day, you still feel that your English has not changed very much. Many learners experience this same struggle, and it can feel frustrating and discouraging. Some people even begin to believe that learning English is only for smart people or people who live in countries like the United States or the United Kingdom. But the truth is much simpler and much more empowering. The problem is usually not your intelligence or your effort. It is the method you are using. Learning a language only through vocabulary lists and grammar rules is like trying to build a house using only bricks, but without a design or a foundation. You have the materials, but you don't yet know how to connect them in a natural and meaningful way. This is exactly why I created my personal routine to improve English with the help of AI. And today I want to share it with you through a simple level 1 story about a young learner named Liza, because stories are one of the most powerful ways our brain understands and remembers language. Liza was a curious young girl who dreamed of speaking English confidently one day. She watched videos online, listened to songs, and sometimes tried to read English books. But every time she opened a grammar textbook, she felt overwhelmed by complicated rules and unfamiliar words. One evening, she asked herself a very honest question. Why do children learn their first language so easily, while I struggle so much with English? When she thought about it carefully, she realized something interesting. Children do not learn language by memorizing grammar formulas. Instead, they learn through stories, emotions, repetition, and daily conversation. When a child hears a story again and again, the brain naturally remembers the patterns of the language, just like hearing a favorite song repeatedly until you can sing it without even trying. That realization changed everything for Liza. Instead of forcing herself to study in the old way, she decided to try something new. She began using AI as her personal English partner. Every morning, before starting her day, she asked AI to create a very simple English story for beginners. The stories used easy words and short sentences, perfect for level 1 learners. The first story was about a girl waking up early, drinking tea, and walking to the park. At first, it seemed too simple, but Liza noticed something important, because the sentences were connected in a story. Her brain understood them more easily. It felt like following a small path through a forest instead of trying to jump randomly between different trees. After reading the story slowly, Liza listened to the AI voice read the same story aloud. The clear pronunciation helped her understand the rhythm of English, and she repeated each sentence out loud. Sometimes 2 times, sometimes 5 times, until it felt comfortable. Imagine learning English like planting a small tree. At the beginning, the tree is fragile and needs regular water and sunlight. If you water it once and forget about it for weeks, it will not grow. But if you give it a little attention every day, slowly the roots grow stronger and the leaves become greener. Liza's daily routine worked in the same way. She practiced a little every day, but she practiced consistently. After reading and listening to the story, she asked AI to explain any new words using very simple examples. If she learned the word market, AI would give her sentences like, Liza goes to the market, or the market has many fruits. This repetition helped the new words stay in her memory. Sometimes she asked the AI to continue the story about Liza the next day, so the learning felt like watching the next episode of a series. Instead of feeling like homework, English practice began to feel like an adventure. Days turned into weeks, and weeks turned into months. Slowly, something amazing started happening. Liza could understand more English when she watched videos. Simple conversations became clearer. The words she once struggled to recognize started to feel familiar, almost like meeting old friends. Her confidence grew stronger day by day. One afternoon, she realized she could describe her daily routine in English without looking at a dictionary. That moment felt like reaching the top of a mountain she once believed was impossible to climb. And here is the most powerful part of the story. Liza did not study for 5 hours a day, and she did not use complicated techniques. She simply followed a simple routine with stories and AI every day. Now think about your own learning journey for a moment. What would happen if you changed your routine today? What if instead of struggling with long vocabulary lists, you spent just 20 minutes every day reading and listening to simple English stories? What if you allowed your brain to learn English naturally, the same way it learns music, movies, or conversations? Imagine your progress after 1 week, 1 month, or even 6 months. Improvement in language learning is often invisible in the beginning, like the roots of a tree growing underground where no one can see them. But one day those roots become strong enough to support a tall and confident tree. Your English skills grow the same way. Every sentence you read, every word you repeat, and every story you understand becomes another brick in the foundation of your fluency. And the best part is that today technology makes this process easier than ever. AI can create unlimited stories, explain words, correct your sentences, and even practice conversations with you anytime you want. You no longer need to wait for a classroom or a teacher to start improving. Your learning partner is already in your pocket. So let me ask you another question. If your future English ability depends on the habits you start today, what habit will you choose? Will you continue using methods that frustrate you, or will you try a new approach that makes learning enjoyable and natural? Remember, progress is not about being perfect. It is about moving forward one small step at a time. Every fluent English speaker you admire today once started with simple sentences just like the ones in Liza's stories. The difference between people who succeed and people who quit is often just one decision. The decision to continue learning even when progress feels slow. So, if you truly want to improve your English, start your story routine today. Open an AI tool, ask for a simple beginner story, read it slowly, listen carefully, repeat the sentences, and let your brain absorb the patterns of the language naturally. Think of each story as a small key that unlocks another door in the world of English communication. The more keys you collect, the more doors you can open. One day you will look back and realize that what once felt impossible has become part of your everyday life. And if you want more English stories, learning routines, and practical tips designed especially for beginners and young learners, make sure you subscribe to the channel and join this journey with us. Because your English story is just beginning, and the next chapter could be the one that changes everything.